Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to continue my previous video part 1, what is a good nutrition and its important. And now I'm going to discuss about how to achieve a good nutrition in your diet. Each food group provides different nutrients and benefits. So eating a balanced diet that includes foods from all 5 groups is essential. These are the different food groups that you should keep in mind. Those are whole grains, fruits and vegetables, proteins, dairy, fats and sugars. Coming to whole grains such as brown rice and wheat are forms of carbohydrates, especially unrefined carbohydrates. They provide you with energy, healthy fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants and aid with digestion. For people who are diagnosed with celiac or those with non-celiac gluten sensitivity, it's important that you include other carbohydrate alternatives to ensure that your absentee from wheat doesn't cost you in terms of essential nutrients. Gluten-free carbohydrates alternative includes rice product, buckwheat, technically a pseudo cereal, quinoa and starchy vegetables, example sweet potato, yam, pumpkin and corn, and fruits and vegetables. Various forms of produce are the rich source of vitamins and minerals that help regulate body functions and protect it against chronic diseases. To get the most nutrient out of your fruits and vegetables, eat them whole. For example, eat whole fruit instead of having them juice. And protein. Protein is the primary nutrient responsible for building and repairing muscle tissues in the body. Animal meat is the most common source of protein, but there are also several plant-based options to choose from such as nuts and legumes. Individuals on plant-based diet can ensure that eat the right combination of plant protein to ensure that their dietary needs are adequately met. Dairy. Dairy products are rich in important nutrients like calcium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin A, D and B12. Foods like milk, yogurt, cheese and are great examples of dairy which can be found in particularly every grocery store. And fats and sugars. Dairy fat, such as the kind you get from fish and olive oil, is essential for good health as they regulate cholesterol level in your body while promoting healthy cell functions. Monounsaturated, polyunsaturated and saturated fat all play a role in aspects of good health. On the other hand, the additional fat you often find in the fried food should be minimized as they are largely unpolyunsaturated fat derived from processed vegetable oils such as soya bean and rapeseed. Due to their low threshold for oxidation, overconsumption of polyunsaturated fat can lead to inflammatory conditions and the formation of free radicals. Artificial trans fat can also a strict known. Sugars can also be limited. While the natural sugar present in fruits and vegetables grains are healthy, the refined salt you get with cakes and snacks can affect your weight to metabolic diseases consumption in excess. Apart from eating food from these all food groups, there are 3 other healthy eating habits to maintain in order to keep your nutrition plan on point. Those are keep portion size regulated. Maintaining a portion size is also other ensuring that you are getting a right amount of nutrients and calories from your food. Overeating or undereating deprives you of nutrients and can affect your body, so always regulate your meal portion. When buying food, check out the serving size on the nutrition labels to see what amount of a regular serving and how much it provides in terms of nutrients. And priorities. Fresh food. Fresh whole foods are the ones you will derive maximum nutritional benefits. Always go from foods in their unprocessed forms such as fresh fruits, vegetables and meat when possible. If you go with processed alternatives, pick those that have undergone simple changes such as dehydration and freezing of a minimized nutrition loss. Also keeping an eye on the ingredient list to ensure that you are consuming a little additive with your food as possible. Practice healthier seasoning habit. Consider tempering your salt intake with other herbs and spices to add new dimensions of flavors on your food. For example, basil, garlic, paprika and cayenne can turn an ordinary chicken breast dish into a gastronomic delight. Salt is the most common food seasonings used in cooking, but too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure and hypertension, particularly with those who are already susceptible to said condition. Maintaining a nutritious eating plan is simple enough. Elevating whether it's nutrition enough can be straightforward as well. Just look out for 5 simple enough indicators of whether you are getting enough from your food on our next video. Every person was on need on good nutrition. So why to get late? To share my videos to understand what is good nutrition and how to achieve it, and many nutritional awarenesses to make you strong and healthy with nutrition by your NutriGuide Divya MBSS nutritionist. Consult us to guide you about a good nutrition diet and provide you a customized diet plans on balanced portions. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.